In this video of today, we'll be discussing three best ways to make money online, okay, on the internet. Because I've been on this internet space for a long time and I've made money on the internet for over 15 years now. So I know that there are some things I can teach you. The first on the list is self-publishing. Self-publishing is easy and can give you money faster when compared to other, areas or ways to make money online. Sometimes people think that, okay, self publishing is so difficult. It is not. All right. It's about your mindset. In as much as you can talk, in as much as you can talk, you can create book. All right. It's just fear that is making people feel like it's something so big. It's not something so big. All right. So what you do is make research, get to YouTube, all right? Learn a lot of things about self-publishing. I prefer using Amazon KDP first because Amazon has the largest e-commerce platform in the world. So once your book can get to that platform, there's possibility that it will sell. So far is something people want to buy. All right, take for example, I want to write about retirement plan for beginners as a title, as a book title. All I need to do is just to make research about that. I like using YouTube most times. Watch some videos about teaching you what retirement plans for you for beginners is or for seniors. Pick your point, or for women over 40 years. Okay, so pick your points, be putting them down. Then after that, in your own experience, understanding, explain that, describe that, subheadings by subheadings. You can even get to Amazon and see similar books. When you see similar books, just tap on the button for you to read more about that book. You get the table of contents of that particular book. Then I'm not saying that you should, do everything the way it appears in maybe a well-performing book on the platform, but know how to do what to coin your own way, to pick your own, structure your own table of contents, your ideas, your outlines that way, and you create your point chapter by chapter. Look at similar books, all right? Before you know, you're getting ideas on how to create professional books. You grow gradually. So writing is not difficult. Self-publishing is not difficult. Publishing books is not difficult. As far as I'm concerned, if you can communicate to somebody, if you can talk to somebody, you can write. Writing is like talking, all right, in your own understanding. So when you get into self-publishing, you understand that it's easy and you make money faster from there. That's the truth. I've been there for more than 10 years. So among all my online ways of earning, this one is number one, and that's why I'm starting with it first. So if you start with Amazon KDP, you can get to Google Play, and from there you can get to Apple Books. All right, and Audible. So but start with this, then you get to other ones. Once you publish your book on Amazon KDP, you can push it to another platform. You can still publish that same manuscript on Apple Books. So far that book is not in KDP Select, okay, that you don't give Amazon exclusive right to sell that book only on their platform. You can take it to other places, okay? Take your book to other channels. Let them see your book and let them make you money from those areas too. All right. So discover what works and then you do your thing to make money. All right. Number two is content creation. Yes, content creation is good because you can have one content and distribute it across other social media platforms. Take for example, this video I'm creating now, I can have it on YouTube as my major, outlet. Then with time I can distribute it to Facebook. It's my content. And from Facebook to Instagram, it's my content. Once those platforms get my content get monetized in all those other platforms as well, I will earn from it. I can get to Twitter too. Thread. Other ones are still coming. So content creation is something that when you do, you can spread that your will I say that's your products across other areas and make you more money. And one thing about I like about YouTube specifically is that it allows you to share some things. Like for example, as a writer, I create a particular video, I can link my book for people to go and buy and learn more. So it allows you to sell other products you have. If you're a business owner in your locality, you can use YouTube to tell them, okay, I do this, you can come to this location to still buy some products. We do that. I know Calvin Stratford, an American tech content creator, talks about his cookies company, and he makes extra money from there because he drives customer from YouTube to real life. So it has a lot of ways you can still earn outside as revenue. So you can try that out as well. The third way to make money on the internet is by offering freelancing service on some platforms like, you know, Upwork and Fiverr. All right. So these two platforms, if you're a graphics designer and you have good skills in that, you can go to Fiverr and say, okay, and make your skill known to people that you're a graphics designer. Somebody can contact you and you offer your service cheaper than others. With time, you start getting what they call gigs, all right, and you start delivering to people and they pay you. Another one is Upwork. So you can go to Upwork and say the same thing. If you're a writer, you can offer your writing services over there, digital services, all right, or a social media manager, all right. So all these cases, you can take them there to do what? Announce it to the world, and somebody that is interested will come for you and provide you with some jobs to do, and you get paid in return. But what in reality, what I see about this is that this is the hardest way to make money on the online. That's why I have it as number three. Among these three, actually, among these three, I see that as one of the most difficult. All right. But if you have been there for years, you might have gotten a lot of customers who will sustain you every month by giving you some jobs. Okay. So, but I prefer Amazon KDP first, second, content creation, and third is freelancing services on some freelancing platforms, okay? Just like Fiverr, as I said, and Upwork. So if you can try two of these or the three of them, I believe you can start making money online gradually, but this takes time. So don't be in a haste. For example, content creation can take you up to 2 years or a year and 6 months, depending on how fast your channel grows for you to start making money on that platform. And that's why I prefer self-publishing among all. Because I know that if I sit down and write a book for 3 weeks, so far that book have potential to sell, I'll make money before the end of the month. So if you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we teach finance and technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. Help me to grow this channel, please, because it's still growing. Thank you, and see you some other time.